Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Rosy Gold G-Spot vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Rosy Gold G-Spot vibrator itself. As you can see, it has a gorgeous rosy gold colour, which gives it a very luxurious and elegant look. Now, this G-Spot vibrator is used for targeted G-Spot stimulation, and the curved head here effortlessly helps to find your G-Spot and tease your most sensitive spots. It's also waterproof and is very simple and easy to use using the button at the bottom just here. So to turn on, press and hold down. A blue light will flash on and it's ready to go. To change the settings, simply tap and choose your desired setting. To turn off, simply press and hold down, and it's now off. It's very simple and easy to recharge. Simply pull back the silicone at the base just here, and it reveals the charging port. Using the USB charging cable provided, simply slot it in like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Once charging is finished, simply pop the silicone back in and it's ready to use. When using this G-Spot vibrator, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the toy after every use using toy cleaner and lukewarm water. And that is the Rosy Gold G-Spot vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.